Well, hello, friends and followers. So here's the D-104 mic that stopped working a couple of days ago. Not really sure what was wrong with it, but usually when you have things that are mechanical, that's the issue. So I checked the microphone element. It is working. You can put a voltmeter between these two pins here, here, and here. And if you get some AC volts coming out of there, like .2 AC volts, the mic's working. So that is out of the equation. So upon examining this whole mess in here, what I found is the amplifier board isn't grounded well. So this amplifier board is simply on here by a friction fit with these nylon screws pressing the board against the contacts for the amplifier and the ground. So I did put a solder bridge here, so that's now soldered on, and that fixes that. I also grounded the microphone, meaning that when the microphone is not keyed, it will ground the microphone output going to the transmitter, because it used to hum when the mic was unkeyed. So this purple wire was where, I think it was there, I'm not sure why, but I just moved it over to here. Actually, this purple wire was on the, was over here. Cut it off of here and moved it over to here. What else? The battery wasn't working because the switch was misaligned. So to check if the battery's working, the way this mic works is the negative terminal of the battery will ground when this switch is engaged. So put your meter here, which is a brown wire coming down from the switch, and then ground the other lead. And when you hit the switch, this will ground the battery properly. And you can see when I engage the switch, I'm getting proper grounding. So that's that. This mic probably works now. What else? So the switch was all kind of misaligned. So when you look at these contacts, these bars should all be straight up. And when you're unkeyed, the left bars should be touching the middle three middle bars, 1, 2, 3. The left bars should be touching the middle bars. And when you push the mic to the right, the left bars should disengage and the right bars should engage like this. So yeah, when the microphone presses, it presses this way, and you'll see that the left bars will disengage and the right contacts will engage, and that's how it should work. So I had to do a lot of straightening to these pins to make them work correctly. They probably semi-worked before. And what else? I cleaned them a bit with detoxit and some paper. So that's as far as I got. I'm ready now to reassemble this thing and see if it works. So fun with the D-104 microphone. So that broke yesterday. My transmitter also broke yesterday. I'm thinking it has a power supply problem, because I can turn the thing on and I can hear the large power transformer humming pretty good, meaning it has a load on it. So I think either bad capacitors in there or a diode went bad or something, but it is a sick transmitter, so not going to use it. And probably will use this transmitter or I won't transmit. So that's the situation. I got to pull this thing off the table, 2 people, and it's 80 pounds. Take it back apart, not pleasant. It seems like this stuff will work like for a month. It'll work for a month with casual use. I would say every couple days I'll use this stuff and then it breaks. So old equipment requires constant maintenance. The receiver here has been pretty stable. This thing I don't use a whole lot, the 100B, but it seems pretty good. Antenna box, I repaired that a few months ago. This little meter still works dependably. SB 200 amplifier, this thing was red plating. The 572B tubes were heating up as I was giving it too much AM wattage. So anyway, too much drive. So that's that. This Paragon's working. This Paragon needs fixed. I purged tons of parts out of storage here. that's the Dentron. It needs a 0.5 ohm resistor, 10 watt. And that receiver over there is waiting for a power resistor and the case getting painted. So maybe I'm finally getting this stuff all done, but maybe I should also buy as my brother said, buy a new ICOM 7300 and never look back and get rid of all this stuff. I actually put all this stuff on eBay at half price and nothing sold. So that gives you a sense of what it's worth. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.